Delivery drivers transport goods to customers, playing a vital role in logistics and e-commerce. They rely on bookkeeping and accounting to keep track of fuel costs, vehicle upkeep, and delivery payments. These functions guarantee correct financial records, tax compliance, and profitability, all of which contribute to the long-term viability of their organization. Let's explore the importance of bookkeeping and accounting for delivery drivers. Cost control of package and cargo insurance, tracking labor costs, customer payments, and invoices management. Following the rules set forth by the transportation industry, tracking vehicle depreciation and amortization. At Meru Accounting, we simplify your financial processes with precise mileage tracking, efficient fuel cost management, and clear expense reporting. Our dedicated accounting and bookkeeping services help you stay financially organized, allowing you to focus on delivering outstanding customer service. Let's explore the core aspects of bookkeeping and accounting for delivery drivers: tracking mileage and reporting expenses, optimization and management of fuel costs, car upkeep and repair cost tracking, delivery route optimization and cost analysis, management of tolls and parking fees. Here are the services we provide for delivery drivers: mileage and expense tracking, income and tax reporting, vehicle cost analysis, financial planning, quarterly tax, preparation profit and loss statements. Get in touch with us today to ensure your financial records are precise and accurate, helping you maximize deductions and make well-informed financial decisions in the delivery industry. Contact us now